Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you a tutorial of a rose flower with the color of yellow, and this is my 0 to 3 months sandal. So I will teach you making of sandal in the next video, but now I am teach you about the flower. Now chain 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Make 3 additional and make in a fourth double crochet. Chain 3, chain 2 and make a double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2. In the third one, make double crochet, chain 2 and make again double crochet in the same stitch. Now skip 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch. Make this till to the end. Okay, now I finished my last one. Turn the work, chain 1, make 5 double crochet in the first V. This is V. 5 double crochet in V. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is 5. Now make in the space, make single crochet. Okay, this space between 2 V, there is a space, make 1 single crochet between these 2 V's. Now again turn your yarn over the hook and make double crochet 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again space between 2 V's, make a single crochet. Now double crochet 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and last one is 7. Again make a single crochet in the space. Now do 7 double crochet. Now see, double crochet 7 times in V. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Excuse me, there's something in my throat, I don't know what is it. Okay, now when you have 3 V's in last, make 9 double crochet in these. Single crochet in the space and do now stitch it not to open. Make it tight, secure it from all sides. This is rose flower. It's done. Open the petals. If you want to put a bead in it, it's your choice.